my name is Emma, and today I will work out lots of situations that we will close profitable. So I'll explain you everything, how I work with my favorite, with the most brilliant strategy ever. This is the technical analysis. It is based on support and resistance levels. This is about the uptrends, downtrends, and lots of other interesting situations on the market. So right now, subscribe to the channel, put your like, because this video is very valuable and I want you to watch it up to the end and watch it very carefully, because you know that all the situations on the market always repeat, and it means that some situations that you will see in this video, you will see them in your own trading, in your own practice, and you will exactly understand then how to work with it, how to work it out, and how to get the profit from this trade. I know that you practice a lot, you do your best, and you try every day, and I'm very happy to have such a brilliant subscriber, and I want you to be the member of my team, of my dream team of traders. So how to get there? It is very easy. You just need to find the link in the description under this video to my Telegram. Write to me into the personal messages the code word private, and you will get into the private membership of traders, because there I post the traders signals with very big profitability. You will have these trading signals and you can use them already today. So do not hesitate and do this right now. I want to build the brilliant team of people who are ready to check this Telegram chat every day, who are ready to get the profits and follow this strategy. So hi everyone, today I will show you the situations that I know very well, that I work out perfectly. These are the support and resistance levels, the uptrend, downtrend, and other situations that you will see in this video. So thanks to this video, you will learn most situations that can bring you the profit. So watch it very carefully, and I'm sure you will like it. So let's start with the first situation. So guys, here you can see the support level, and from this level there has been the bounce, and now the price is moving down. This is the downward movement, and the price highs are getting lower. So to the support level there is still a place. That's why let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down movement, because I think that the price will move down towards this level, because this is a very good potential for a decrease. And also this time is with the reserve, because there can be the small flat or the pullback upwards, so we need to check everything. So guys, that's very good. The price really moved down, and then there was the pullback up from the level, and now the price again moves down. And this is the sticking to this level. So let's open the next trade here. Let's try at least, because I think that the price will be moving down and maybe break this level through. So let's do it with down movement for 2 minutes. I think that in this situation this time will be enough, even if I take into account the small flat. So let's take it. Well guys, it's very amazing. As you can see, the price moved down and this level was broken through. So as I said, we have got the profit and everything was perfect. So this time 2 minutes were enough for this situation. Also at this moment, after the breakout of the level, the price is starting to fade and the green candlestick is appearing. So that's why let's open the next trade here with up movement for 1 minute, because I think there will be the retracement movement and then the price will bounce up, because as I can see is in most cases after the breakout there must be the retracement movement, and I'm sure this situation will be this one. So let's check what can happen here. Well guys, it's very good. As you can see, we really have got the retracement zone, then there was a bounce up and we got the profit here again. So 1 minute was enough for this situation. So now we just worked out 3 trades in a row. So it is a very working situation. This is the approach to the level, then breakout, and then the pullback after the breakout. So that's a very good start and we can continue. So here you can see the resistance level, and also from this level there was the rollback, and now after that the price is moving towards this level again. So the price lows are getting higher. This is the upward movement, and that's why I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with that, because very soon the price will move up, and also there is a chance that this level will be broken through because the price has a very good potential for an increase. And also this time I will put with the reserve, because we need to take into account the small flat or a slight, really slight rollback down. So guys, it's amazing. Even without a rollback, the price moved up and this level was broken through. So we got the amazing profit, and 3 minutes were enough for this situation. So you can also notice that after the impulsive upward movement and the breakout of the level, the price is fading. And I think that, as in most cases, there will be the retracement movement and a slight movement down, a small pullback. Yeah. So let's open a trade for 1 minute. We're down because I think this time will be enough, and you can also see that the price is moving down very impulsively. So guys, let's wait for the end of this trade. Well guys, so it's very good because the movement down really happened and the price bounced down. So we got the very confident profit and we can keep on out trading. Well guys, I have rewound this chart to the left about 1 hour ago, and I can set this level according to the probabilities of these candlesticks, and I can define it as the resistance level. So you know, all level is not always a horizontal clear line, it is certain areas. So we can return to the beginning of our chat. So here you can see that this is a very good upward movement, and this is sticking to this level also. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up here, and right now the price bounced down a little. This is a very good point to open a trade. So I think that very soon the price will move towards this level, and also it can break it through because price has a very good potential for an increase and the price lows are getting higher. So I think this time 2 minutes will be enough, and that's for this situation. So let's wait for the end. So that's very good. The price moved up here and we have closed this trade profitable. So you can also see that the price is fading and bouncing down. Maybe in the near future there will be the small flat, and only then this level will be broken through. So let's watch the price a little, and if the sticking happens, we will open a trade here. But if it is the pullback, we will search for something else. So here you can see the support level. Now the price is moving in this range very impulsively. Recently it has also been a very good confident downward movement, and right now this is the kind of small flat. So the general trend is going down. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes. We're down here because I think that in the near future the price will move towards this level, and because the price has a very good potential for a decrease. And also this time is with the result because we need to take into account the small flat or the small pullback up. Well, let's check what can happen here. So it's not bad. The price moved towards this level and we have got the profit here. So we can also see that right now the price isn't bouncing. That's why let's open the next trade here. I think that very soon the price will move down and perhaps this level will be broken through. So let's do it for 2 minutes. We're down. I think that even taking into account the small flat, this time will be quite enough. So let's check what can happen here. So unfortunately here from this level there was the impulsive movement up, the rollback, and we got the loss. So you know, sometimes there are failures in the market, but it's not a big problem actually. We just need to stick to our strategy. We have the deposit on our balance. Let's continue. So here you can see the support level, and also from this point the price is moving down very impulsively and confidently. So right now the price got to the flat zone and is moving in this range. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down here, because I think very soon the price will move down, and right now this is a very good impulsive red candlestick is appearing. So perhaps this will be broken through, because I can see here very good potential for a decrease, and also I think that in 2 minutes will be enough for this situation. Well, let's check what can happen here. Well, it's very interesting. So the price moved down towards this level, and also there was the bounce up. So let's now watch the price a little. I want to see if the rollback happens or a red candlestick appears. So we will open the next trade here. We will trade. So guys, here you can see that the price stopped a little. That's why let's open a trade for 2 minutes. We're down here. I think that in this situation there is a high chance that the price will just move towards this level, and also the price highs are becoming lower here, and I will set this time 2 minutes with a reserve, because there can be the rollback of the slight one. We need to check it. So guys, it's not bad. So after a slight roll back up, the down movement continued, and we have got the profit here, as I said. So 2 minutes were enough for this. So this level hasn't been broken through yet, but I can see this sticking to this level. It is very obvious. I think that in the near future this level will be broken through. That's why we'll open the next trade here. So let's do it. We're down again for 2 minutes. So let's check what can happen here. Well, it's excellent. So after the small flat, the down movement continued, and this level now is broken through. So we have got the brilliant profit. So my deposit now is $5,500. So let's find the last trade for today and make it profitable. So let me find something interesting and we'll continue. So take a look. Here you can see the support level, and right now this is the downtrend and the price highs are getting lower. So here there is still a place to the support level. That's why we need to open a trade with the reserve for 3 minutes with down movement. I think that the downtrend will continue moving towards this level, because the price has a very good potential for a decrease, and also this time is with the reserve, because there can be the small flat here. So let's wait for the end of this trade. Well, friends, that's amazing. So the price really continued its downward movement towards the support level, and this level was broken through. We have got the brilliant, amazing profit. So 3 minutes were enough for this situation. So my deposit now is $7,000. So it's enough for today, because I have got what I wanted, and it is very good that you watched this video to the end, and now you know how to work with this strategy, because if you work it perfectly well, if you remember the citations, you can repeat them in your own practice and get this profit. So you shouldn't be afraid to get losses. Of course, today we have got the loss, but it's not a problem. We actually got the very good results of $1,000. So guys, now you have seen that the profits and losses, it is a very interesting thing. This is called experience, and if you're ready to get this experience, you're ready to build your skills, and you are not afraid of failures, you will get your success. You just need to do your best. You just need to believe in yourself, because of course technical analysis, this is about the memory, about the feel in the market. But of course, if you don't believe in yourself, you cannot do anything special. You cannot just start doing what you want. Belief is something important, and I'm sure I do it every day, and I really like it, and I want you to feel this motivation from me. I want to give it to you, and I will love the comment if you write it that Emma, you really motivated me today. So thank you so much for your attention. I'm inviting you into my Telegram chat. You just need to write to my Telegram personal messages the code word private, and I will add it to this brilliant membership of people. So guys, and subscribe to the channel and put your like. Write in the comment what your questions and what your ideas for the next episode. So I'll see you next time.